Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you connect headphone to our Vivo phone. Guys, you want to connect headphone in your Vivo phone, so guys you can connect. And guys, now let's see how to connect headphone in our Vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you connect this headphone to your Vivo phone. So when first of all, come in your phone setting. Guys, click on Bluetooth and device. Guys, click on Bluetooth. And guys, on your Bluetooth, guys, on your headphones, and guys, click on new device and guys, refresh it. So friends, you can see guys this both headphones, so you will have to click on guys your headphone names, then it will connect in your Vivo phone after 4 to 5 seconds. So as you can see, we have connected this board Rosakar in our Vivo phone. So I hope friends we have understood how to connect headphone to our Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching a video. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.